a believer in the process. Nick Lachey is happily married to Vanessa Lachey, but if he wasn't, he wouldn't hesitate to try out for Love is Blind. I would. I mean, it's fascinating. The 98 Degrees singer, 48, exclusively told Us Weekly ahead of the Netflix series Season 2 premiere. Why wouldn't you wanna be a part of that? You know, it's proven to work. Ivan Agostini in Vision app, Shutterstock. The Ohio native and his wife. Photo, which follows 30 single men and women as they attempt to make connections with potential partners without seeing what the other person looks like. Though it may seem like Nick told us that dating as may be one reason contestants don't mind sacrificing a visual first impression. Nick and Vanessa Lachey, a timeline of this dating world is not one I ever was part of, this very superficial, swipe left. He explained. There's so much judgment and you can Google everybody. I'm not from that era. The boy band and then sis, Hawaii actress Tyga, not in July 2011 after 5 years of dating. The duo share kids 9, Brooklyn, 7, and Phoenix, 5. While the Lacheys have been married for over a decade, they've still managed to learn some relationship tips. It starts with a connection, Nick told us, adding that the show reminds him that patience and work are key element of any romance. Vanessa and I had a proud parents. See Nick Lachey, Vanessa Lachey's family album read article. The Masked Singer winner didn't want to give away too many details about, but he did confirm that viewers can expect a bananas season finale. It's crazy, he added. The cast is awesome. You're gonna love it. Fans also won't have, which was delayed because of the coronavirus pandemic last year. Nick, however, doesn't want viewers to worry about Love is Blind fatigue. It's so exciting to see it kind of work all over again, and he told us, no two seasons are gonna be the same. Love is Blind Season 2 returns to Netflix on Friday, February 11, with reporting by Kristen again. Listen to Us Weekly's Hot Hollywood as each week the editors of Us break down the hottest entertainment news stories. For access to all our exclusive celebrity after photos, the sweetest photos of Halsey and Aliyah.